Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, as our chapter number second, the four basic operations is going on, in which today we are going to start division. So, in which first we will learn few rules of division, then we will solve some questions based on division. As here is an example in which we are dividing 28 by 6. So, listen student. The number in which we are dividing is called dividend, as here 28, and the number by which we divide is called divisor, as here 6, and the result we got is called quotient, as here 4. And if the divisor does not exactly divide the dividend, then something will be left over, that is called remainder, as here 4. Now let's start rules of division. As the first one is, when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Means, as you are seeing the example, if we divide 50 by 1, we will got the same number 50. Next is, when a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Means, when we divide the same number as 63 divided by 63, we will got 1 as a quotient. Next is, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. As in the example, if we divide 0 by 500, we will get 0. Then, listen student, but division by 0 is not possible. So, as 0 can be divided by any number, but any number can't be divided by 0. As you are seeing the example, we can't divide 500 by 0. As even if you will use the calculator and for example, if you will divide 526 by 0, you will find such result as can't divide by 0 or infinite or error. So that means 0 can be divided by any number, but any number can't be divided by 0. Now next is, in division the order of numbers cannot be changed. As in multiplication, we can change, as 7 5 is 35 and 5 7 is 35, but in division we can't change. As here in the example, if we divide 50 by 2, we will get 25, but if we will divide 2 by 50, we will get the fraction or the decimal number that is not equal. Now let's learn division algorithm. Listen, when we divide any number and if we wish to check our answer, so how we can check? We can check by the division algorithm, which is dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. As you are seeing here, the dividend is 75, divisor is 9, quotient is 8 and remainder is 3. And if we will put this value in this, as dividend 75, quotient 8 into 9, that is divisor plus remainder 3. Then when you will multiply quotient and divisor, as 8 and 9, 9 8 is 72, and if we will add the remainder in this 72 plus 3, we will got 75, which is the same value which is in dividend. That means our answer is correct. So let's solve few questions based on this. As here we have to find out the quotient and remainder and also verify the answers. So how we can check? Listen, first we will divide from here 52,856 by 150. Now as you are seeing, the divisor 150 is having 3 digits. That means we have to recite the table in 3 digits, as 152 is 300 and 153 is 450 and 154 is 600, that is greater than 528. So we will take 153 is 450. Then after subtraction, we will get 78, and then we will bring down the next number, that is 5. Now again we will recite the table. Then as you are seeing, 150, 5 is 750 and 156 is 900, that is greater then 785. So we will take 155 the 750. Then after subtracting we will get 35, and then we will bring down the next digit, that is 6. Now again we will divide. Now as you are seeing, this 50 for this 356 we can take 150 to the 300, as 153 the 450 is greater. So after subtracting we will got remainder, that is 56. So here the dividend is 52,856, divisor is 150, quotient is 352, and remainder is 56. Now if we wish to check the answer, how we can check? By the division algorithm, that is dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now we will put the values, as dividend is 52,856, quotient is 352, divisor is 150, remainder is 56. Then when we will multiply 352 and 150, we will get 52,800, and if we will add the remainder, that is 56, in this, we will get 52,856. That is the same value which is in dividend. That means our answer is verify. The same we will do for the next one, as here we have to divide 9,52,430 by 254. Again in the divisor, that is we are having 3-digit number, that means we have to decide the table in 3-digit, as 254 2 the 508, 254 3 the 762, and 254 4 the 1016, that is greater than 952. So we will take 254 3 the 752, then after subtraction we will get 190, and then we will bring down the next number, that is 4. Now again we will decide the table, as 254 5 the 1270, and 254 6 the 1524, 254 7 the 1778, as 254 8 is greater, so we will take 254 7 the. Then after subtraction we will got 126, and we will bring down the next digit. Then again, as you are seeing, we can take 254 4 the, that is 1016, because 254 5 is greater. Now after subtracting we will get 247, and then we will bring down the next number, that is 0. As you are seeing here, 254 9 is 2286, so we will take this. Then after subtraction we will get 184 as a remainder. Now here, as you are seeing, in the dividend we are having 9,52,430, divisor is 254, quotient is 3,749, remainder is 184. Then what we will do? For checking we use division algorithm, that is dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. We will put the values, as here dividend is 9,52,430, quotient is 3,749, divisor is 254, remainder is 184. Now after the multiplication of 3,749 and 254, we will get 9,52,246, and after adding the remainder 184, we will get the same value, that is 9,52,430. that is our dividend. That means our answer is correct. So by this way we can solve the question and check the answer. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.